Alright guys, so hopefully you can see me. Headed back down towards the city so we can check out a couple of the other spots that we checked out during the walking tour. So I can give you a little more history on Brasov, sorry, trying to pronounce it the right way. And then we'll maybe do a museum, I don't know. We'll see, we're making good time. I'm feeling pretty good, so we'll see what's going on. Alright guys, so that was Ekaterina's gate. It was the gate where the Romanians were allowed to come into the main fortress when the Saxons held power. It's pretty cool. There's a couple things to look at. So if you notice the spires, it's like one big one and four small ones. I guess in Transylvania that was a symbol that the death penalty was used here. So a lot of people knew that, everybody knew that, and they wouldn't, they knew they couldn't get in trouble. So as well as there's a symbol in the center, and I'll show you here in a second. It's the town crest. It's a crown with like a tree, and that's just because Brasov, one of the ideas where it comes from is that I forget what word it was, but basically it means crown. The German word for this city is Kronstadt, so that means crown city. So of course their symbol is a crown, and so let me show you that. Alright guys, so I made it to another square. I forget the name of the square. I'll put it down here. I can't remember. I want to say it's like, I can't remember. I'm not even going to try to fake it. But it does have the most highest concentration of crosses, I guess, in Romania at least. And then also behind me is a really cool church. We're going to go check it out. And then everything took less time, so we're going to go eat early, and then you're going to come with me to do some errands. I need to buy some new socks and look for some shoe inserts. My memory foam's starting to take a dive, so lucky you, you get to experience that with me. Alright guys, so this was the first Orthodox church built in Brasov, I believe is what she said. And it was actually built in the Romanian part, which makes sense because they tended to be, a little bit more of them were Orthodox. And then also right next to it is the very first Romanian school. Lots of cool stories here. You'll hear about them if you take the free tour from Walkabout. Make sure you do. There's some really cool stories about some books and stuff, and priests saving them and all that kind of stuff. So definitely take it. I don't want to tell you everything that happens on the tour because then you won't take it. But it is a free tour, so take it. Get some more history. Just kind of showing you the path and all the cool stuff you get to see. Make sure you take it. And because it orientates you very well to Brasov, and also gives you a good foundation of things to know, to come see and everything. Yeah, I think that's super important to kind of do. So I'm just going to chill here for a few seconds, take it all in, and then it's actually a little early for lunch, so I'm probably going to walk back to Councilor Square, or Sfatului, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, square, and just kind of tool around, try to find, like I said, some socks and some shoe inserts, and then eat, and then back to the hostel to do work, which is my typical kind of thing. Guys, I want to really thank you guys for coming along with me. Like, this isn't the end for today, but I just want to really thank you guys for tagging along and checking out my stuff and sharing my stuff with people. Like, I really appreciate all of the support you guys give me. Make sure you guys are also heading over and checking out my blog, because it does have similar content but but different. And then also make sure in the description below, I always put a link to my blog as well as a link to all my social media if you want the full 360-degree experience of my trip. So make sure you at least follow me on Instagram and check out my blog, because that'll give you the full, almost the full. But yeah, I'd love to get to know you guys on the other channels as well. Like I said, I'm just gonna sit here, take it all in, and then get going back. All right, guys, see you in a bit. Guys, I know I said I was gonna take you along on errands, but I don't think you want to be bored with that. So this is where I'm gonna leave it for today. Make sure you check out all the cool sites in Brasov. I know there are a lot of really cool day trips, but always make sure you spend time in the city you're staying in. So yeah, that is where I'm gonna leave it for today, guys. I will see you tomorrow for a wonderful trip to Sinai. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It is where Palace Castle is. So that is where we're going tomorrow. All right, guys, see you then.